Hi, I'm Cody with Enginetech, here to talk to you about expansion plugs. They go by many names such as Welch plugs, core plugs, freeze plugs, but what they're used for is the removal of the sand in the casting process, and they really don't have a use after that. Freeze plugs is a name that came about from whenever water is used instead of antifreeze, and the plugs would pop out from expansion. But they really, like I said, they have no use other than removal of sand in the casting process. Enginetech expansion plug kits come with the cups, discs, pipe plugs, and more. The cups and discs are interference fit, meaning that they're bigger than the hole that they go into. So when they're installed, you're going to get a quality seal. The kits are available in brass and steel versions. So your antifreeze will have an anti-corrosive property to it, but it can break down over time. So if you want to go with the brass, you'll get a more corrosive, anti-corrosive finish on the plug itself. You can order our plug kits by selecting your engine or specific vehicle rather than having to sort through different plugs to find the right ones for your engine. So go ahead and order your Enginetech plug kits today.